Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, we are from group 2 and let's introduce ourselves first. I'm Rima Zahra.
I'm Nafitri Amelia.
I'm Alfazana Rizky.
And I'm Reno Suhandi.
We will do a homogeneity test using the SPSS application. Homogeneity test is a test conducted to find out that two or more groups of data samples come from population that have the same variance or homogeneous. This test is recommended before performing other tests. This test is used to ensure that the data group does come from a population that has the same variance or homogeneous. The homogeneity test is said to be homogeneous if the significance value is above 0.05. In here, we have 30 respondents and 10 questions from each class. And class A as experiment class and class B as a control class. And next, we'll explain about finding the value is Nulfitri Amelia.
Thank you, Rima. Here we have got the sum of each respondent, and what we have to do next is find the value of each respondent by clicking here and then typing equals sum. Then open brackets and clicking on the sum of respondent 1, divide it with the number of all respondents. Then closing the brackets and then multiplying by 100. Enter. Now we get the value for respondent 1 and then copy this to the last respondent, and then we get the values for all respondent in class A. Do the same thing to find the value in class B. And then we get the value for all respondent in class B. After getting all the value, there is a provision that must be remembered. Code 1 for the experiment class and code 2 for the control class. Our group makes class A as the experience class, so the code is 1, and class B as the control class, the code is 2. Then what we have to do is copy all values in class A to research here and give code 1 in class. Then copy all values in class B under the research class A and give code 2 in class. Then copy all the research and class, paste in SPSS. And next, Alpha will explain about finding homogeneity.
Thank you, Amel. Okay, and now click variable view and change the name in variable 1 to result and variable 2 to class. Convert decimal to 0. Give a level of learning result in variable 1 and class in variable 2. And next, click value bar in variable 1 and type 1 in value and type experiment class A. And then click add and type 2 in value and type control class B. And then click add and OK. Then go to data view and you got look like this. Now click analyze and click compare means and click one way ANOVA and move learning result to dependent and class to vector and click option and click on homogeneity of variant test and click continue and then click OK. And now we get the output of homogeneity test and next Reno will give the conclusion.
Thank you, Elka. So our homogeneity test this time uses 30 respondents and 10 questions, making class A as the experimental class and class B as the control class. Then after looking for the homogeneity value from the data we have, it can be concluded that significance value we get is 0.330. Then our data is homogeneous distribution because the value is above 0.05.
Thank
We
you
can
very
move
much.
to the next test. We have enough presentation from our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much and goodbye.